Yes, order completed. I sent fiat amount 1000 naira at $597.1, and the crypto what I got was 1.67 USDT. So that is how to buy cryptocurrency. Hello and welcome to this Binance tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P platform. So in our last tutorial, we saw how to convert our cryptocurrency into stablecoin, and we saw in the last tutorial how to sell the stablecoin USDT on Binance P2P. Now we are going to see how to buy stablecoin USDT on Binance P2P platform. So now we have some cash, we have some naira, we have some fiat currency, and we want to buy USDT on Binance. How do we do that? The only way we can do that, especially if you're in Nigeria where you cannot use direct bank transfer, you have to use the P2P trading. And from the home, you can just click on P2P trading and it will take you straight to the P2P platform where you can buy or sell. And in this tutorial, we are going to be buying. Another way you can go to the P2P platform apart from clicking from it from the home is to go to the wallet. Then from wallet, you click on funding at the top and click on P2P so we can fund our USDT wallet. So under USDT here, you can see that I have 0.0 USDT. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to buy a very little amount of USDT, maybe just 1 USDT. So I'll just show you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P platform. So I'll click on P2P, and there are a lot of options here for people that want to sell their USDT. So it's clicked on USDT here, so we want to buy USDT. If you want to buy something else, you can click on another currency, but I want to buy USDT. So there we can see a lot of adverts here we need to pick from. When you are trading on the P2P platform on Binance, I always tell people to be very careful because it's sensitive and you can be scammed. So you have to listen very carefully. There are some things you have to take note of so that your trading can be successful without being scammed. So first of all, you look at these people that have placed advert here. You can see the number of trade. Like for this first person, Baranti has 70 trades. He has done 70 trades and the percentage of successful trade is 95%. The next person, T Crypto, has traded 1,295 times. That is very high, and his success rate is 94. So that's a very high success rate. The next person has 77 success rate with a very low number of trades. So those are the things you want to look out for. For people like this, okay, look at this Soul Real. He has traded 2,767 times. He has a very high number of trade and he has 87%. But the next person, Mike, has only traded 13 times with 100%. So that's how you know people that are consistent, people that are scammers, people that have issues in their trade. People with 100% have never had any issue. But this person with 100%, Mike, has only traded 13 times. But this person with 87% has traded more than 2,000 times. So that person is even more trusted than this person that has only traded 13 times with 100%. So another thing we need to do now, we have checked and we are sure of the number of times they have traded and the success rate. Then we now want to filter the adverts so that it can fit what we are looking for. So payment method, bank transfer. So we have set our payment method for bank transfer. So all the ads here now are bank transfer ads, and the amount, how much do I want to pay? So I want to pay 1,000 naira to buy USDT. I want to pay 1,000 naira, so confirm. So all the adverts here now are adverts within 1,000 naira. Then we can also click this filter by the left and by the right with the funnel in front of it. Click filter so we can filter more things. So I've clicked on filter now. So amount 1,000, payment method bank transfer, country and region Nigeria alone. So only show ads for merchants. So these merchants are people that have a license, a crypto trading license on Binance. So you can decide to only see adverts from merchants, but sometimes those merchants do not give you a good rate, so I don't always click that merchant. Instead, I use the number of trades and the percentage of successfulness to know good traders. So I've set my filter and I'll click yes. So it's going to filter it. So I have only 2 trades that match what I want to do. So now I'm going to choose from this, and the person at the top always has the best rate. So this person is going to sell for me at $597 naira per dollar. So that's a lower rate than the 598. So I'm going to click the first person. He has done 612 trade with 98% success. So that's even higher than the other person with 89% success rate. So I'll click on buy, and to bring me here. So I want to buy 1,000. I have 1,000 naira that I want to use and buy USDT. Just for the sake of this tutorial, that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm using a very low amount. So I'm going to be getting 1 USDT. In my USDT funding wallet, like we saw earlier, I had 0.06 USDT. So I'm going to be buying 1.67 USDT. Another thing you need to do is to come and look at the terms and condition. And the terms and condition says, "You're highly welcome, boss. For safety of our account, please don't pay me in Kobo and no crypto or forex related word like USDT, BTC, all that in your description box." So when I want to transfer this money in my bank app, I will not use any crypto related word because crypto has been banned in Nigeria. So if you want to transfer money from the bank app and you go and say you want to transfer, the description of the transfer is sell or buy cryptocurrency or buy USDT, they are going to block your account. CBN has put a law to block any account trading cryptocurrency. So that is what this person is saying here. So you need to take note of that. So when I'm going to do the transfer, in the description, I'm not going to write any crypto related word. I'll just put my name in the description box. So I'll click on buy with 0 fees. So I'm not going to be charged for this. I'll just pay 1,000 naira to the person. So Binance is giving us some information of how the trade will go. So Binance is holding the seller's cryptocurrency in the escrow account. Binance 247 support. Check the seller's information and chat with the seller. So now that I've clicked on I want to transact with this person, they have held the money, so there cannot be any fraud because now Binance has held the cryptocurrency in their escrow account. So the person does not have access to this money again. I will now pay that person. I'll send the 1,000 naira to the person. Then the person, when the person sees the alert of 1,000 that I sent to the person will now release the cryptocurrency to me. So I'll click on next. So click transfer the fund to view payment. So now they said click transfer the fund to view payment details and complete the transfer. So okay. So I'm going to click make payment to see the person's details. So when you are transferring money like this, the same name that you use, you have to use your bank account. You are not allowed to use third-party accounts. So the name I'm using on Binance has to match with the name of the account number I'm going to be using to transfer this money to this person. And I have 13 minutes to complete this trade. So let me just click on the chart to see what the person is saying. So he said, "Please don't pay me in Kobo, no crypto related words, just put your name instead. Thanks boss, good morning boss, no crypto related word." I'll tell him okay, I will I'll just say okay. So I've said okay to the person. So now these are the terms. So I want to make payment, so I'll click on make payment. So now this is the person's account number. The person is a CUDA. The person is using CUDA, but I'm using GT, so I'm going to be transferring from GT to CUDA. Please transfer the funds to the seller via the payment information provided below. So I'll just click on next. After transferring the funds, click on the transferred notify seller button. So I'll just click on OK. So after I've made the transfer, I'll click that I have transferred the money. So I'll click this transferred notify seller so the seller can know that I've transferred and release the USDT to me. So I'll just copy the person's account number. So I've copied the person's account number, and take note of the person's name. The person's name is Moses Taiwo Oladijo. So I'll go to my bank app now to transfer the money. So I'm transferring 1,000 naira, as you can see on the screen, and I have 11 minutes to do this transfer. So I'm going to go to my bank app now to transfer the money. So let's go. So I'm in my bank app now, and I'm going to transfer 1,000 naira to that person. So I'll click on transfer, then new beneficiary to other bank. So So select bank. The person is using Kuda, so I'll select Kuda. So I'll just search for Kuda. So this is Kuda Microfinance Bank. Then I'll paste his account number here. And okay, the name matches Taiwo Moses Oladijo, and I'm transferring 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. So under the description, like we said earlier, do not go and write, and don't write anything crypto related. So I'll just put my name, Shola. I'll just put my name there under this. So don't go and write a cryptocurrency related word like crypto or USDT or anything. Just put your name there, so that your account will not be flagged or blocked, because cryptocurrency has been banned in Nigeria. So to continue, I'll just confirm I'm sending 1,000 naira to Moses Kuda, and I'll click on continue. So I've put my PIN, and yes, I've successfully transferred. So as you can see, I've successfully transferred 1,000 naira. I'll just make a screenshot of that. I've successfully transferred 1,000 naira to Oladijo Taiwo Moses. So I'll now go back to the Binance app. So I'm now back on the Binance app. Because I have transferred, I'll click on transferred, notify seller. So I've clicked that now. So it says releasing. If you have paid, contact the counterparty. After the seller confirmed the receipt of the fund, system will automatically transfer the crypto to your account. So I'll just click on OK. So now I have transferred the money. I'm waiting for Moses Taiwo Oladijo to confirm that he has received the money, and I'm going to receive 1.67 USDT to my funding account, to my USDT funding account. Now, if anything goes wrong and this person refuses to release the money, I can click on this appeal, but I'm not going to click that yet. So you can click on this appeal if anything goes wrong, to appeal that there's a foul play, maybe the person is trying to scam you or something. So you click on this appeal. So I'll just wait for Moses to confirm so I'll just tell him that. So let me chat him up and tell him that I have made payment. So I'll tell him to leave feedback, leave positive feedback, confirm payment, and leave positive feedback. So okay, he has transferred the money. From what I can see now, your payment has been received. The asset USDT will be sent to your account. So I can see a notification here that your payment has been received. The asset USDT will be sent to your account. If the person you are trading with is wasting time, you can always call the person. At the top right corner, at the top, you can see that thing that looks like a phone. You can just click on it, and when I click on it, this is the seller's mobile number. I can decide to make a call through to the person by clicking on that. I can just call the person up, but I'm not going to be calling the person. Let me go back to my wallet to see if the money has entered into. So this is I'll just refresh my funding wallet and check. Okay, the money has been sent in. So you can see I have 1.7 USDT now. Earlier I had 0.0 USDT, but now I have 1.1 USDT. So that trade has been successfully completed. So the trade is completed. So yeah, I think the money has been transferred because I received a notification from Binance that says that Binance P2P order has been completed. The seller released 1.67 USDT to your P2P wallet. So as you can see, the money has been transferred to my P2P wallet. The trade is successful. So I don't have any pending trade under my history. So completed trade, click on completed trade, and yes, this is a completed trade we just did now. Yes, order completed. I sent fiat amount 1000 naira at $597.1, and the crypto what I got was 1.67 USDT. So that is how to buy cryptocurrency, and I can leave a positive feedback. I'll just click on that and leave a comment. I'll say fast trader. So that transaction was successful, and I have got 1.67 USDT. So that's how to buy USDT. You can buy as much as you want. I just bought a very little one just to show you guys how to buy USDT on Binance P2P, and as you can see, the order is completed. I got the currency in my wallet. Back to my wallet. So I have the funding. This is my funding wallet, and I have 1.73 USDT. Now I can use this USDT to trade on the spot trading, but before I can use this to trade on the spot trading, I have to transfer it to my spot wallet. So this is my funding wallet. This is, now I've clicked on spot. This is my spot wallet. Remember, I'm still under wallet. So under my spot wallet now, I'm not sure I have any USDT. Let me search for my USDT wallet. USDT. So I have 0.000 in my spot wallet USDT account. So I'll go to my funding wallet and transfer the USDT I have there to my spot wallet. So transfer from funding wallet to spot wallet. Then it's showing BTC. No, I want to transfer USDT. So I'll search for USDT. So that is USDT. I have 1.7. So transfer max. So I'll click on confirm transfer to transfer this USDT from my funding wallet USDT to my spot wallet USDT, so I can trade with it on spot trade. So I'll confirm transfer, and transfer successful. So under my funding wallet now, I don't have any USDT again. USDT. So I'm searching for USDT, and as you can see under funding 0.00. But if I go to spot wallet and refresh, yes. So spot wallet, I have 1.73 USDT. So very simple. Now that I have 1.7 USDT, I can go to trade and trade on the spot wallet. I have available balance 1, so I can use that $1.7 USDT to trade. So I did this tutorial for you guys. I used my money so I can show you guys how to do it practically, because you've been asking me to do practical tutorials, and I've done a practical tutorial. So if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section below, leave your questions and I'll answer them, and I'll see you in the next cryptocurrency tutorial. Cheers.